In today's video, I'll show you how to exactly delete your TikTok messages from both sides. So let's start. Firstly, go into that specific DM or direct message where you have messaged somebody. Then locate the message that you want to delete from both sides. The most important thing here is that unfortunately, you will need to be quite quick to do so because if you're not quick, then it probably won't work. Select that message, hold it, then click on delete as you can see here. Now you have deleted the message. You really need to be quick right here because if they have already seen that message, by deleting it, they will still be able to see it. Unfortunately, there's no guarantee that this will work for you, but it's something you can try if you really want to delete a message. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.